Are you a trucking company drowning in paperwork and delayed payments? Is your operations team spending days and weeks manually processing trucking invoices, bills of lading, and proof of delivery documents? Well, guess what? You're not alone. Over 75% of trucking companies struggle with mountains of paperwork that is absolutely burying their operations teams. But there are a few who process thousands of documents in seconds with above 90% accuracy. The best part is that they cut down processing costs by 50%. Don't believe me? Well, wait until the end of this video to see how. Hi, I'm Margot from Docsumo, and we are on a mission to help trucking companies just like yours maximize transportation and warehouse efficiency at light speed. Our Document AI platform is specifically designed to tackle the unique challenges that are faced by the trucking industry. Today, I'm going to show you how Docsumo can revolutionize your document processing, and it is going to save you and your team time, money, and countless headaches. Docsumo's Document AI helps Biagi Bros, NS Trucking, and so many other trucking companies to process over 15,000 documents while saving over 1,600 man-hours every single month. Let's start by looking at the typical truck transportation process and how document processing currently works for most trucking companies. First of all, trucking companies work with numerous truck drivers who provide critical documents, such as bills of lading and proofs of delivery. Now, these documents are absolutely essential for initiating payments to the drivers. Hundreds of truck drivers share documents like BOLs, PODs, and trucking invoices as images over WhatsApp and email every day. The operations team is then tasked with manually downloading the files and then organizing it into their system. Now, after consolidating this information, the operations team then extracts relevant details and enters them into spreadsheets. This is highly prone to errors, and it consumes around 15 minutes per document for the operations team, wherein they process each line item and operate it on their TMS or WMS. They could have been focusing on much more strategic tasks instead of doing all of this grunt work. Besides being time intensive, it is also expensive, and it can cost anywhere between $25 to $30 per document, inclusive of sales and IT expenses. But what if I told you that it's possible to save all of that processing cost, free up your operations team's valuable time, and capture all of that data in real time? Surprised? Well, that's exactly what Docsumo helps you with. With Docsumo's Document AI, trucking companies have been able to maximize transportation and warehouse workflow efficiency. Here's how it works. Number 1, data retrieval. Once the truck drivers share the documents over email and WhatsApp, it is then automatically ingested into the platform via API or Zapier workflow integration. Number 2, data extraction. Docsumo's OCR algorithms extract data with 90% plus touchless accuracy in real time. Number 3, QC and refinement. The system only requires 10% of optional human review by the operations team. Number 4, downstream update. Data is automatically updated in TMS or WMS systems via API or Zapier. Number 5, payables processing. Payments can now be initiated on the same day, so here's what you can expect when you use Docsumo. 90% plus touchless document processing, 500 plus man-hours reallocated every month to more strategic tasks, $5,000 plus in processing costs saved monthly, improving your cash flow, and same-day payments to drivers, which improve satisfaction and retention. Don't believe us? Well, here is what 2 different trucking companies based in the US experienced with Docsumo. NS Trucking, an aggregate hauling service, had a dedicated operations team who manually processed over 12,000 documents monthly, and they also coordinated the payments for their truck drivers. After implementing Docsumo, they were able to save over 1,600 man-hours and cut down 50% of the expenses spent on processing documents monthly with 94% touchless processing. This ensured that the ops team allocated only 6% of their time and efforts in making any manual refinements necessary while also prioritizing growth initiatives. Biagi Bros, a 3PL warehouse company, reduced their processing time for capturing data from unstructured bills of lading documents from 20 minutes, get this, to less than 2 minutes. Now, imagine what all your operations could do with the time that you save for them. They could focus on growing your business, on improving customer service, or on optimizing your routes. The possibilities are endless when you are not bogged down by all of this manual document processing. So there you have it. Document AI isn't just some fancy tech term. It is a practical solution that is already transforming trucking companies across the US. Are you ready to see how Docsumo can revolutionize your business? Then go ahead and click in the description to book a free demo with our team. We will show you exactly how our platform can work for your specific needs. Oh, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on how technology is transforming the transportation and logistics industry. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to helping with you on future projects.